Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is don't worry about a federal tax lien. Now, if you've watched the show before, you know that occasionally I choose a headline as clickbait to get attention. I learned that from social media. It works. So this is one of those examples where we're using a choice of words to get attention, and then we're going to talk more specifically about what I'm talking about. A federal tax lien means that you're already in tax trouble, and it also means that that trouble is above $50,000, or that's the trigger point at which the IRS will place a tax lien on your property. Now, for sake of discussion, this short video, let's just assume we're talking about a lien on your home. It could be other business property, but it's usually a home most commonly. So let's just talk about that. So if there is a tax lien on your home, you probably cannot borrow money. You probably can't take out a home equity loan, and you probably have to settle that tax lien when you sell your property. All told, that's not a terrible imposition. It's not as if you're receiving daily phone calls and collection notices and stresses, or that money is being taken out of your bank account. Those things aren't happening. A federal tax lien is the least of your concerns. Or let me rephrase it. If I'm talking with a client and we're having a financial planning discussion, and we were to, I'd say, write down the 5 things that will make the biggest difference in changing your financial future and financial success, I'll bet that the tax lien doesn't wind up in the first 5 items of things that you should be putting your attention and money into right now, here today. So that's why I come up with the statement, don't worry about a federal tax lien. When the solution becomes available, it will be clear and it will be easy to solve that federal tax lien issue. But in the meanwhile, there are plenty other important things to focus on. Thanks for joining today. If you have a topic that you'd like to see covered in a future Tax Minute, please send it using the Messenger application online here. And I always welcome comments and feedback. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.